6 times a number is 12 more than 3 times the same number. What is the number? Okay, so let's make an equation for this. Let's do this word by word. Okay, so translate to mathematical equation word by word. So we have 6. So just write 6 times. So operation is multiplication. 6 times a number. We don't know the number, so let the number be n. So we have 6 times n, or we can simply write this as 6n. Okay? Is, meaning of is equal sign. And then we have 12 more than. So we have 12 more than means addition. 3 times. So 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 3 times the same number. So 3 times the same number, 3 times n, or simply 3n. So the question is, what is the number? Just solve the value of n. Okay, solve the value of n. So we can combine 6n and 3n, put 3n to the other side by subtracting 3n to both sides. So this will cancel out. 6n minus 3n, that is equal to 3n equals 12. And then last step, divide both sides by 3. So therefore, the value of n, the number is equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. The correct answer is letter C, 4. Follow me for more content like this.